Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie and I want to tell you a little bit about the Sweet Dixie Smooth White Stamping Card. Now, when it comes to you, it comes in a pack of 100 sheets and this is how it looks. It is a gorgeous card. It's packed, as I say, in 100 sheets. It's A4 in size, which is 250 GSM, and it's 210 millimetres by 297 millimetres. As it says on the packet, it's ideal for stamping, embossing, die cutting, punching, tearing, matting, layering, decoupage and much more. It creases perfectly so you can make your own cards, invitations, place settings, tags and menus. I've got to add, it's ideal for scrapbooking, journaling, card making, general paper crafts. If you're a paper stroker, this is good stuff. It is smooth white card and it is ideal for stamping. I'll give it the wobble factor. I don't know if you can hear that. So it's 250 GSM, it's a good thickness. It does score nicely. I'm going to show you how it scores. I'm not going to show you how it stamps, etc., because all the tutorials on my website with my seasonal cluster stamps have been using the smooth white stamping card, so you can see how great it looks. So I've simply folded that in half, used my bone folder, and you can see I've got a good score on there. It's not cracked, it's not creased, it's just a great, you know, it's just a great fold, and that's what you look for your cards. So I've been die cutting with it, I've been rubber stamping with it, I've been using it with mixed media with the heat embossing powders, I've done double embossing with it, I've painted on it and I've used watercolours on it. I've done so much with it and I've found that it is a great card, it's a good all-rounder for so many of your projects. Check it out on my website, the link will take you through to where you can purchase it from, and it's just a good card stock to have in your stash. So I hope that helps with a brief introduction to it. It's what I'm going to be using for all the tutorials for my cards, using my stamps and my ranges from now on. So when I say I've used the smooth white stamping card, this is the card that I've used. And I just hope you enjoy using it as much as I have. So check my website for more details, and I would just like to say thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time.